This morning we're going to make some breakfast potatoes, and we're going to use the Hatch chilies. These are from Melissa's. They come from New Mexico. They're a mild chili pepper and they're full of flavor. They have a great texture. Being grown in New Mexico, they're in the Hatch Valley where the evenings are very cool and the sunshine is plentiful during the day, and it makes a great quality pepper. So we're going to cut these up. We're going to quarter up the small potatoes so they cook quickly. We have some beautiful little onions that are nice and flavorful also. And we're going to make rings out of the chilies and put them in a frying pan with some oil. Make a nice quick breakfast to serve with some eggs. Now these are the mini potatoes. You can use a regular potato if you want, but I think these are really quick cooking, and also they're very flavorful. They have a buttery taste to them, I think. So I'm just going to cut these into quarters. It's a pretty small piece, and it'll be ready in no time. In the meantime, I'm going to start some oil, just a little olive oil in the bottom of my cast iron pan. And the first ingredient I'm going to throw in there when the oil heats up is, of course, the potatoes. Next, I'll take these little fresh onions, and I'm just going to cut thin slices out of these. And spread them out into little see. Oh, they smell so good, but they make the cutest tiny little onion rings. Separate the rings. There we go. They're all ready to add after the potatoes get going. Let's take one of these nice chilies here, and we're just gonna cut very thin rings out of these too. Now there are going to be some seeds, and as we get down to this end, let's just take off this side. I'm going to cut partially through it so we can just pull out the seed cluster here so we don't get too many seeds. See that? It's all contained pretty much in the bottom part. And we'll tap out all the extra seeds, but we will get some. And that's okay. We just don't want to be overpowered by a pile of seeds. Nice and thin. Look at that. And the colors, some of them have a little orange in. That's really colorful for our dish. Nice. And let's put a green one in there too. Take the seed cluster out first. Hear how crispy. Look at that. So we'll get rid of this. Unless you want to add the extra heat, you can. And we'll cut some nice rings of the green part, the green pepper. And one time savings thing you could do when you have your bag of peppers out, you can cut some peppers for some other meals that you might make today or this week, and put them aside so that when you're ready to add some nice Hatch peppers to your meal, you can already have them cut. Alright, now let's go over and get the potatoes started. Alright, we have a nice heated up cast iron pan here. We're going to add the potatoes. Start to sizzle. Now they're starting to get a little bit soft where I can cut them in half. Alright, so we're going to take the nice fresh chilies, Hatch chilies and onions that we sliced up nice and thin. And we're going to add them to the dish now. Start mixing them in and getting them browned a little bit too. If you guys want to add salt, you can add salt. I think we got a lot of flavors here from the peppers and onions, so I'm not going to add seasoning like that. Okay, now you can serve this as a side dish to your breakfast or eat it for breakfast just like that. Or another thing you can do is add a couple eggs and stir them in. So we're going to add a couple eggs to this dish. And we're going to, you could scramble them first, but since the frying pan's hot, you can just stir them in like this. And then you have some more protein here with your meal. And that's a nice complete breakfast. A little scramble in there. Oh man. We can't wait to eat this. And it's ready to serve. Okay, thanks for watching me make breakfast this morning. Give those Hatch peppers a try. They're plentiful during August and September, and you'll see them in the grocery stores around the country packaged from Melissa's. So give them a look when you get to your produce department. Also, there are lots of great recipes on the Melissa's website where you can use the Hatch peppers. So check it out. Okay, thanks for watching me make breakfast.